It is the backbone of the American military, an icon of rugged durability that has served in every major conflict for decades. The Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, better known as the Humvee. But before these steel beasts hit the battlefield, they begin their journey here, inside a massive, high-security manufacturing facility. In this video, we are taking you behind the restricted gates to witness the engineering marvel behind America's battlefield machines, from raw sheets of armored steel to the final torture tests on the track. This is how the ultimate military vehicles are born.
Take it up 5 feet and hold. Make sure those locks are secure. Pressure looks good on the secondary manifold.
Confirmed. Running the final sequence now. The thickness here is inconsistent with the specifications.
Noted. We'll need to reject this batch.
This connection point here, it's fully compliant with the spec sheet.
Confirmed. Looks solid. Ready for potting.
Look at this edge. The bonding looks weak right here.
I see it. Logging as a potential failure point under stress.
The process begins with the skeleton. High-grade ballistic steel arrives at the factory in massive sheets. This isn't your average automotive metal. It's designed to withstand extreme impact and protect the crew inside. Precision laser cutters slice through the thick steel like butter, shaping the panels that will form the vehicle's hull. At the chassis station, the frame is assembled. This is the foundation of the Humvee's strength. Heavy-duty robotic welders work in perfect synchronization, fusing the steel rails together. The welds must be flawless. There is no room for error when a vehicle's reliability can mean the difference between life and death.
Check the reading at the 5-inch mark.
Confirmed. No indications of subsurface flaws.
A fortress on wheels is useless without the power to move it. Here, technicians lower the massive diesel engine into the chassis. These engines are tuned for torque, designed to climb 60-degree slopes and power through deep mud without stalling. Next comes the suspension system. Unlike civilian SUVs, military vehicles require independent suspension with high ground clearance. This allows the Humvee to tackle brutal terrain, while keeping the cabin relatively stable. Watch as the drivetrain is connected. It's a complex web of axles and differentials, all sealed to prevent water and sand from destroying the mechanics.
Check the pressure on line 4.
Looks stable, well within the desert specifications.
Keep it steady, watch the pressure. We're good here, tighten it down.
Set the bead evenly along the top edge.
Applying the final torque now. We are secured. Lower
As
by
the
5
vehicle moves
centimeters.
down the assembly
Copy that,
line,
lowering.
it starts to take its iconic shape.
Alignment
This
looks good
is
on
the
this side.
uparmoring
Steady,
phase.
steady.
Workers attach the
Alignment
reinforced
verified.
doors and the ballistic-resistant windows. These components add thousands
Torque
of
looks good
pounds
on
to the
joint 4.
vehicle, requiring the use of hydraulic lifts for installation. Once the body is complete, it heads to the paint booth. Here, robots apply the chemical agent-resistant coating. This isn't just camouflage. This special paint creates a barrier against chemical and biological weapons and makes the vehicle harder to detect by infrared cameras.
These brackets need the high-tension washers installed before torquing down the seats. Make sure they're flush.
Check the alignment on this mount here. Looks good. We are within tolerance.
GPS signal locked on the primary unit.
Encrypted comms showing green across the board. We are ready for field testing.
Torque set to factory spec.
Confirmed. Moving to the next link.
Alignment looks good.
Torque sequence initiated.
Ignition sequence successful. Holding steady at 50% power. Vibration stabilizing now.
Building the machine is only half the battle. Now, it must prove it can
Maintaining
survive.
RPM.
Every
Check the
vehicle
exhaust
that
temps.
rolls off the line is
Check
sent
the
to the
thermal
torture
readout
trap.
on Sector 4.
First, the water test.
Fluctuation
The Humvee
detected
is
during
submerged
braking.
in a
It's
deep tank
stabilized.
to ensure all
Simulation
seals
validated.
are watertight. Then it faces the obstacle course. Test drivers push the suspension to its breaking point over jagged rocks and washboard roads, designed to shake loose any bolt not tightened to spec. Finally, the incline test. The vehicle must hold its position on a steep vertical grade. If it slips, it fails. Only those that survive this punishment are certified for deployment.
Thickness is within tolerance.
Adhesion is solid, no lifting on the crosshatch. Verified.
Pressure holding steady at the access panel.
Confirmed. No seepage at joint velocity.
Temperature climbing fast on the number 3 sensor during the incline.
We're seeing high torque readings here too. Maintain current parameters.
Performance is holding steady across the curve. Confirmed. The torque readings are within tolerance.
The simulation is holding the profile perfectly.
Confirmed. Data shows the equipment is stable under the shock loads.
The temperature is spiking in Zone 3. We're exceeding critical limits. Abort the sequence now.
The GPS lock is stable, but the signal to noise on channel 3 is marginal.
Noted. Rerun the sequence after calibration.
Data stream locked. Link is stable and secure across the full spectrum. Mission assurance validated.
Passing the test means these machines are ready for duty. They are lined up by the hundreds. A sea of olive drab and dessert tan, waiting to be shipped to bases around the world. From the welding sparks on the factory floor to the front lines of defense. This manufacturing process is a testament to American industrial power and engineering precision. The Humvee remains a legend, but the technology never stops evolving. If you enjoyed this inside look at military manufacturing, make sure to hit that like button. What military machine should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Process 247, and we'll see you in the next one.
Get that binder tight. It's secure now, boss. Check the rear left.
All units maintain speed and spacing.
Over. Manifest, driver. Keep it slow through the gate. Yes, Sergeant. Back it up. Keep it coming straight. Watch your clearance on the right. All right, hold it right there.